Nyamirambo Women's Center is a local NGO that started in 2007 at the end. It started as a small group of 18 women living in Nyamirambo as neighbors and friends. We all came from different parts of Rwanda. Some they were coming from south, others in the north. We just met here in Nyamirambo as neighbors and friends. So we decided to start a group just to help each other, exchange ideas, and see if we can all support each other as women. So we all had different background, different level of education. Like the education was from 0 up to secondary school. In our group, we had 3 women who didn't have a chance to go to school, who can't even write their name. So as a group who were together to support each other, we decided to start teaching those women how to read and write, so at least they can be able to write their name. In 2008, we had a chance to meet 2 women from Slovenia, Vrasta Jalsic and Jasmika. So the 2 women, when they were here in Kigali, they met with one girl in our group, and she started to talk about our group. And the 2 women were very interested to come and meet a group of women.
When I came to Rwanda for the first time, it was for research. That was in March 2007 with my colleague from the Institute. And we've met 2 young women. One of them had a child, and we realized that the circumstances they were living in were not too nice for young women, like, not having employment, not being able to go to school. So we started to help them.
So the 2 women came. Of course, we didn't have a place like this. We met in the house of one lady in our group, and they were very happy about the idea of teaching women how to read and write. So they decided to support us. With their support, the Women's Center were able to open a proper classroom, teaching women how to read and write in this neighborhood of Nyamirambo.
Abantu bakuze ntabwo byari byoroshye, byari ibintu bikomeye, ariko kubera nyine umugambi twari dufite twabikoze neza. Twarize na women ntabwo yigeze idutererana, ikadusura, ikadukangura, mbese tumera nk'abana. Umubyeyi ajyanye ku ishuri, kwa kundi ubwiriza umwana uti usige gutyo uzabigenze gutyo, ntabwo bigeze badutererana.
Twari turi mu rugo tutazi iyo biva n'iyo bijya. Haciyeho igihe twumva batanze mikoro ku kagari ko abantu bashaka gusoma no kwandika habonetse ishuri ryo gusoma no kwandika. Mu by'ukuri twabyakiriye neza, turabyishimira, kuko nari umuntu ushobora koherezwa SMS, bikaba ngombwa ko kuyiha umugabo akayinsomera.
Ntaraza muri iri shuri numvaga mfite ipfunwe ryo kuba najya mu bandi ntazi gusoma no kwandika, kandi byambayeho kenshi cyane kuko nageragezaga kubajyamo kuko byabaga ari ngombwa kujya mu bandi bantu, ariko nkihangana nkagira ute nkabajyamo, ariko nabaga mfite ipfunwe. Wenda urugero, hari ukuntu batumizaga inama y'abaturage bose, nanjye nkajyamo. Inama ikaba, bakaba hari aho bagera bakaduha urupapuro ngo buri wese yandike izina rye, batange raporo y'abantu baje muri iyo nama. Bangeraho urumva ntabwo nzi gusoma no kwandika, ubwo nta kintu nahita nkora, nabazaga mugenzi wanjye wenda twegeranye nkamubwira akanyandikira.
Ikintu nishimira kuba ndi muri iri shuri, ntabwo nari nzi gusoma no kwandika, kandi nkora akazi ko gucuruza. Hari igihe nacuruzaga nkaba nagarura amafaranga menshi, cyangwa nkahura n'ahantu ndi bugende bakambwira ati ugomba kwandika. Ntabwo nari mbizi, ariko ubu maze kumenya kwandika. Icyo rero nicyo kintu nshimira kuba narageze mu ishuri.
Icyo nishimira kuba ndi muri iri shuri, ubu iyo nagiye mu nama bakazana impapuro izina ryanjye mpita ngira fasta nkahita ndyandika. Iyo ngeze ku cyapa ibyinshi mbasha kubisoma, nkumva nta kibazo.
the support of those two women in Slovenia, we were able to include the sewing course, because we started to think about a woman who came to learn how to read and write, and then after 6 months she's back home. What else can she do to be able to earn income and contribute to her family? So that's how we started to think of teaching those women another skills that will help them to do something and earn an income. So we all sat together and we came with an idea of teaching those women how to use a sewing machine. A sewing machine is something you can do here. Even if you have one sewing machine, you can put in front of your house, and people who will pass by, they will see you and bring their clothes, which is broken. You fix it, and you can earn money like that. So that's how we decided to teach those women how to use a sewing machine after reading and writing course as a skills to help them to earn an income.
twumva Omeni Center, Alex na Mary nyine ababyeyi bacu batugenderagaho cyane, badukoresheje inama, baratubwira ati gahunda no kujya kwiga kudoda. Ntago nasinziriye, naraye ndeba. Cyewe ngiye kwiga kudoda. Se nibyo cyangwa si byo. Twaragiye baratwandika, n'ubundi baradufite ku rutonde, baratwandika, tubona amamashini, tubona ibikoresho byose biraho, barabitumurikira, wabonaga batwitayeho kugira ngo tutazacika intege. Baratubwira ati mu gitondo muzi. Twaragiye, ibikoresho, ibitenge, imikasi, icyo umutayeri cyose akenera, nta na kimwe twajyanye, n'ikayi nta nimwe. Baratubwira ati muza n'umutwe wanyu n'ubushake bwanyu, nta kindi tubasaba.
Cumi na gatatu burebure bw'ukuboko.
Naje kumva itangazo ko hari umuryango mwiza wa Nyamirambo Women Center ufasha abantu bacikishije amashuri, abantu bicaye iwabo, abantu bafite imibereho mbese ya nta kigenda. Nanjye nza kwiyandikisha, ngira amahirwe baranyandika, twinjira mu mwuga w'ubudozi. Turadoda, tubona biragenda, tubona ni byiza cyane ko twaje nta kintu tuzi, ariko ubu biragenda, twajya ku isoko ry'umurimo tugakora, mbona nta kibazo, badutekerejeho neza cyane, Imana ibahe umugisha.
Later, with the help of Peace Institute in Slovenia, we were able even to include other courses, such as hairdressing, how to make bread like this. It is a skills also that will help someone to earn money, even if she doesn't have a hair salon. You can go house to house and fix the hair for people, and you can earn money like that. So with the support of those people in Slovenia, we were also able to do different workshops, because Nyamirambo Women's Center is here and it's contributing in fighting against gender-based violence. So we were also doing different workshops to different women in this neighborhood, where they can have access to information about gender-based violence, women's rights in general. We started the community library with the idea of helping our children in this neighborhood to have access to books, for also encouraging our kids to grow up with that culture of reading books. And the library will welcome children from the community and also our moms' children while their moms are here working at the center. So they will do different activities in the library, reading stories, playing different games, learning different language. And we thank always volunteers who are coming to the library to help us. From 2008, we were depending to the support from Slovenia. And we started to think of being independent. So at any time there is no support from Slovenia, we can be able to continue running those courses to the community at any time there is no support. So that's how we introduced the community-based tourism as an income-generating activity for the center. Because we didn't really want to continue depending to the support from outside. We really wanted to continue offering these free classes to the community at any time there is no support. So that's how we introduced the walking tour of Nyamirambo and cooking experience and basket weaving. So those activities, tourists will come to experience the everyday life of people living in Nyamirambo. So far, we also started to do the hiking of Mount Kigali as another product that will generate more income for the Women's Center. And we also started to do the Nyamirambo night tour, where tourists will see the vibes of this neighborhood in Nyamirambo. So all those activities, it helped the center to become independent. And we are really happy that we managed to create something as women to empower ourselves and to empower the community where we are. So we believe what Nyamirambo Women's Center is doing today is helping so many people in this neighborhood, and it is empowering different families. Because if today we are able to do such activity, which gives jobs to our young girls, they are guides. They are the ones who do the guiding for tourists, so we are empowering those girls. In 2013, with the help of Monica, we managed to create a cooperative called Umutima. We were teaching those women how to use a sewing machine, and they will go. Some of them, they will be able to start a business, and others will not be able to start a business. So with the help of Monica, when she came as a volunteer, she spent with us 4 years, and she helped us to develop the line called Umutima. So with Umutima, we do children clothes, houseware, and different decor for our homes. And now the cooperative Umutima is employing 55 women.
I met Marieme and the women of the center right away as soon as I arrived in Kigali in 2013. And together we started to talk about the challenges they faced as a center, and also on the future and what their hopes were. So from the beginning, we quickly realized that one of the issues that the center had was that they were not sustainable in terms of their funding. And we really wanted to create a more circular project that would allow the center to stay open and continue their activities beyond external fundings that they were receiving at the time. And that's how we came to create and develop Umutima, a cooperative that started with providing jobs for a few women that finished the sewing classes they were giving.
Kubera yuko nari nshikirije amashuri nagarukiye mu wa kabiri segonderi, ubwo rero numvise itangazo ry'uko hari umuryango uri gutanga imyuga ku buntu, aranyemerera, nuko nanjye ngira amahirwe, nuko naza niga uwo mwuga. Maze kuwiga habayeho cooperative Umutima, mbona akazi ngirirwa icyizere mba n'umwe mu banyamuryango ba koperative Umutima.
Mu by'ukuri ijya kuza hano twakoreraga ari hepfo munsi y'isoko, aho isoko ryahoze. Mama wanjye yarazanaga ibikapu hano, none hasanga hari itangazo ryanditse ngo abamama cyangwa abakobwa bashaka kwiga imashini ku buntu, gusoma, mwajya mutubwirira abo mwabona. Ubwo mama wanjye yaraje arabimbwira kubera ko nanjye nari ndi mu buzima bugoye, nta kazi nari mfite, nari ndi mu rugo. Muri 2013 mu kwezi kwa nyuma nko mu kwa 11 gutyo, nanjye ndaza ntangira kwiga imashini, ndayiga, batwigisha no gufuma iby'intoki, nabyo turabyiga, bakajya barebamo ibintu byiza nyine ibyo umuntu agiye akora bakadukosora, bigera aho ngaho bahita baduha akazi. Utwo umuntu akoze bakabara akagenda duhemberwa. Ubwa mbere ndumva narahembwe nk'ibihumbi 10, kandi mu by'ukuri guhembwa ibihumbi 10 nta n'igihumbi wabonaga wari wicaye mu rugo, urumva ko ari ibintu bishimishije cyane. Ubu ngubu nateye imbere cyane kuko ndi umugore utabasha kugira ikintu yiburira, umwana wanjye ariga ndamwishyurira, nta kintu mu rugo tubuze. Mbega sinakubwira ngo hari ikintu nashaka ngewe ku cyangwa nkibure ku bwanjye, bitewe ko nyine urumva ko niba naravuye mu rugo nta kintu nabonaga nkahera ku 10, wenda nkabangejeje nko ku bihumbi 100, urumva ko ari ibintu bishimishije cyane. Ikintu nasaba Nyamirambo Women Center ibanye nk'umuterankunga, yashaka abakobwa cyangwa abagore bari hanze mu muhanda badafite ikintu bakora, ikabashingira wenda tere nk'uko natwe yadukoreye, cyangwa ikabashingira ibindi bintu, ko yigisha no gusuka, yigisha n'ubundi no kudoda, nabo bakishyira hamwe nyine bakava ahantu habi, kubera ko hanze hari ibibazo byinshi byugarije kandi igitsina gore cyane cyane.
I'm called Mary Nyangoma. I'm a member of Nyamirambo Women Center. I started with the center at the end of the year 2007. Today, the center has managed to offer more than 200 jobs offered to the local people, direct and indirect. And among the people who have been offered the job, I'm among those group where I'm working at the center, coordinating all the activities of Nyamirambo Women Center.
Jewe nitwa Ntezeremye Aline, nkaba ndi umunyamuryango wo muri NWC, natangiranye nayo. Ibyiza yabashije kungezaho harimo kwiga universite nkayirangiza.
Nitwa Murekatete Amina, ndi umunyamuryango wa Nyamirambo Women Center, natangiranye nayo kuva 2007. Ubu muri Nyamirambo Women Center nahuriyemo na byinshi, nsigaye mvuga Cyongereza kubera bashitsi batugana, kabatekera nkabigisha no guteka. Bazari benshi baragenda bakababwira abantu mugera mu Rwanda mubure kugera kuri Nyamirambo Women Center. Ikindi nabonyemo no muterankunga igisha bana banje kwiga, umwe yarangije universite, undi arimo kurangiza amashuri esumbuye.
And then now after 15 years I see that this is a successful project, and I'm so proud of it. So I think this group of women achieved really something that I would never expect at that time. So it's some kind of a really good success story, I think. And at the beginning it seemed mission impossible.
15 years later, we worked together on several EU and Slovenian projects that empowered all of us, me as a researcher and project manager, them as an organization, and many, many women around them. So I truly hope our cooperation will continue, and I can't wait to see where they are in the next 15 years.
In 2007, when we started as 18 women, we didn't think that we'll be able to impact such big number to the community. The 55 women, now they have a job. They come every day in the morning to work. They have what to do. They have now a salary. She was someone who was thinking maybe I would just be home and wait for the husband to do everything. But now today, she is also contributing to the development of her family. So we are happy that today the Nyamirambo Women's Center is still open, working, operating, and we think we are successful because when we see how it was in 2007 and how it is today, we are really happy about the achievement.
The Nyamirambo Women's Center wants to grow and to be able to welcome more women to be trained. That is why we are looking to build an incubation training center for girls and women in this neighborhood, where that incubation will help us to train professional and technical advanced women and girls in this community, and also to be able to offer sewing and design skills for high fashion. Besides fashion and sewing, we also want to train women-led sport in tourism.